Hello folks, in this video I will explain how to set a bit in C. Let's consider the number 3. 3 in its binary form it is 1 1, and let's consider the position 2. Position 2 is this because bit indexing also starts from 0. 0th bit, first bit, second bit and so on. Okay. To do bit operations we use something called bit mask. Bit mask is nothing but a number which operates on specific bit. Here we want to operate on this specific bit. I'll tell you how to approach problems like this. We have to consider the input given and we want to look at the output that we want to get. We want to set a bit, right? That means if it is 0 we want to change it to 1, and if it was 1 we do not want to change it. We want the result also to be 1. So let's see which combination here is giving that result, which combination and which operator. So the result we want is 1, right? None of the operators is giving the result as 1 in this combination, so let's leave this. This is our output, keep it in mind. And let's go one by one because all we have to look at all these combinations in OR, and we have to look at these combinations in XOR, and we have to look at this combination in AND operator. So this is our input. If our input is 1, output is 1. If our input is 0, in AND operator case there is no output 1 if the input is 0, so we cannot use AND operators. So let's leave it here. Move on to OR operator. So here the input is 1, output is 1. Yes, this is what we want. Input is 1, output is 1. Okay, so this is our bit mask. Okay, we can, in our operator case, we can either use 1 or 0 as bit mask because we are getting 1 and 1 in both cases. But look at 0. 0 is also one of our input. So when you OR 0 with 1, you get 1. Yes, this is what we want. When you OR 0 with 0, we do not get 1. So we cannot have the bit mask as 0. But with bit mask as 1, sorry, not bit mask, it is the second operand. If we OR 1 with 1, we get 1. If we OR 0 with 1, we get 1. So this is the operator that we want to use. This is the second operand for our operation. So we want to create a bit mask using this. Now to create the bit mask, we do not want to change other bits in this number, right? We want to change only this bit. So we have to somehow we have to create a mask such that mask, when we have decided that we have to use OR operator, so when we use this OR operator it should not change the other bits. So whatever input we give, the output should also be same. Which number does that? When input is 0, output should also be 0. When input is 1, output should also be 1. So this it would be 0, right? So when you OR something with 0, you get that something only. So other bits would be 0, and whatever bit we want to change, that position should be 1, like we discussed before. To do this, how do you do this? You have this number 1, right? But you want to create a bit mask, something like this. But your bit mask should look like this, right? But how do you create this bit mask? Here we use operators called shift operators. So if you shift 1 by position times, you get the bit mask that you want. So our bit mask becomes this. Now that we have decided the operator we want to use, it is new, yeah, operator I'm using is ORing with the mask that I've created. It will set the bit at a given position. So let's print the new number. Print bits is the utility function that I've created to print a number in its binary form. Let's print the number, let's print the original number and its binary form. This is it. Let's run the program. It created the executable. Now run the executable to get the output. So our original number was this 3 with 2 bits set. Now we set the second bit at position 2. So the new number would be 7. Yes, this is it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.